Hello, welcome back to Habibi's Home Medical and Habibi's Durable Medical. I'm Jeffrey, and today we're going to show you how to use your tub transfer bench. As you saw in an earlier video, we showed you how we can put this thing together so that it's ready to go into your bathtub. All of this is high-grade plastic, of course, and aluminum, so you're not going to get the rust or any problems like that. Now, a tub transfer bench is a little different from a shower chair, where the shower chair sits in its entirety in the tub, which we also like to tell people, if you're going to get a shower chair, maybe get a clamp-on grab bar or have a grab bar so you've got something else to grab onto as you're getting in. In this case, this chair is made more for people with very, very limited mobility. A lot of times these are people that are wheelchair bound and possibly have to use a transfer board to slide onto this. So let me show you how this works. This side goes in the tub. In this instance, the shower is up in front of us so that we can get it on our body. This is the portion that goes outside of the tub. As you can see, the leg's height is independent. So if the inside of your tub or shower is higher up off the ground than what's on the outside, you can obviously raise this side up to make it nice and level. So this works this way. The patient will transfer either from a chair, or maybe they just can't step over the side, and they will sit on the outside of the tub transfer bench. Then they'll take and they'll pull themselves over until their legs are hitting the edge of the tub, and then they'll bring their leg over and into the tub, sliding until their other leg hits the outside surface of the tub, at which they'll bring that in. Now that they're fully in, this is the part that a lot of people don't know about, and it's a little thing that's been built into this tub transfer bench that really helps. This groove right here on the small little portion of the bench is actually where, if you have a shower curtain, you'll take and you'll slide your shower curtain so that the bottom of the edge of the shower curtain is in here. What that does is causes water to drain, hit the very inside lip of the bathtub, and causing the water to drain in. The thing about tub transfer benches is a lot of times you're still potentially going to get a little bit of water on the outside. So we do encourage our patients that are using these to be very careful when they get out of the tub, or for instance, their caregivers that may be helping them bathe or shower. That is one little thing about these that we don't like. Once they're in, they've got a grab and a handhold and a back to sit against. The tub transfer weight capacity is 300 pounds. In some cases, they may be 250. We do encourage you to check and rate what your weight is versus the capacity of this. We hope that this has been helpful for you today, and we do encourage you to subscribe if you find this content interesting. We would also like you to make comments on our post below, because we want to know more about what you want us to show you. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.